So I'd now like to list the MS graduates. The first is Srinicha Arasanapalai. She's getting an MS in the field of mechanical engineering, advised by Professor Kirby. Her thesis is entitled Dielectrophoretic Separation of Mycobacteria to Aid in Tuberculosis Research. Amanda Mitch is receiving a Master's of Science in Mechanical Engineering, advised by Professor Paul Dawson. Her thesis is entitled Spherical Harmonic Representation of Orientation-Dependent Stresses in Polycrystalline Solids. Monica Nguyen is receiving a Master's of Science in Mechanical Engineering, advised by Professor Max Zhang. Let's have a quick round of applause for our Masters of Science graduates. Our next speaker will be Matt Ulinski, and he'll be giving the presentations for the MEng graduates.
It's my honor to announce the 2014 graduates of our Masters of Engineering program. These students represent the graduates in our three areas: aerospace engineering, engineering mechanics, and mechanical engineering. The one-year MEng program allows students to develop their competency in engineering science, current technology, and engineering design. It's an intense program that builds on previous science and engineering education. We hope it's a big step toward a fulfilling engineering career and a lifelong journey into learning. The cornerstone of the MEng degree is the project. I'll be announcing the title of each student's project with their name. I'll also ask that since we have 36 graduates, you hold your applause until after all the graduates have been announced, and then we can celebrate them all at once. Our first graduate is Afalabi Akingbe. Project title, Implementing Different Animal Gaits for a Small Quadrupedal Robot. Zain Ali, droplet combustion of 87-octane gasoline in comparison with N-butanol. Stephanie Altrue, 3-CPO robot walking mechanism. Pravalika Krishna Bacha, analysis of droplet combustion experiments for propylene benzene carried out on the International Space Station. Shuran Chung, product lifecycle management for the Cornell FSAE team. Amanda Catherine Costello, race car aerodynamics applications in the Formula SAE team. Masaki David Endo, race car aerodynamics applications in the Formula SAE team. Harolun Fan, sustainable cook stove modeling and design. Jiadi Fan, the development of subchondral bone lesions of medial femoral condyle in horses. Nathaniel Gilbert, development, manufacture, and testing of a monolithic automotive CFRP wheel. Peter Gu, modeling cell adhesion on a nanopatterned surface. Owen Robert Goldner, design, build, fly competition. Garrick Lau, closed loop control of eddy current actuated spacecraft test platform. Aaron Liu, Sustainable Cook Stove Modeling and Design. Rinsu Ma, Characterizing Anthropogenic Heat Emission in New York City. Michael Mihalo, Aeroelastic Flutter Energy Harvesting. Yenho Clement Ng, Granular Dynamics of Non-Spherical Particles. Diego Olvera, Controller Design for a Steerable, Self-Stabilizing Bicycle. David Rafael Padilla, Dangle and Regenerative Braking for Improved Efficiency and Performance in Hydraulic Actuation Systems. Matthew Henry Pizzonia, Energy Harvesting for Self-Powered Aerodynamic Control Surfaces. Neola Putnam, Liquid Drop Falling Through a Quiescent Gas at Terminal Velocity. Chi Rui, New Applicators for Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation. Daniel Q, ASML Small Bolt Pretensioner. Owen Rickey, Management and Organization of the Manpower of the Formula SAE Project Team. Brian Paul Shreff, Biomass Insertion System for Pyrolysis Experiments. Neil Sen, a liquid metal morphable airfoil for actuated ailerons. Ty Spidell, Cornell's Mission to the Moon, the Lunar CubeSat Project. Jamie Sternlicht, Scorebot ER Plus robotic arm integration with Connect sensor and control via linear temporal logic mission planning. Brian Verdent, R&D of Cornell DC high voltage ultra cold photoelectron gun. Jingyi Wang, Toughened Composite Materials Project. Lijia Wang, 3CPO Robot Walking Mechanism. Ryan Westover, Cornell Mars Rover Project Team. John Whitmer, Cornell Cup Robotic Project. Nathan Wu, Passive and Active Control Strategies for Mitigating Forklift Mast Oscillations. Tian Jia, Dynamic Flow Rate System for Ventricular Devices. And Wendy Yu Zhao. Please join me in congratulating our graduates.